so we're not reading those certificates. These are for the people who are moving up, who are getting the Best Student Award and the Most Improved Student Awards. And we're going to read those names. So when you hear your name, come and get your award, okay? Let's start with level 1. Who's level 1?
Rafa!
Best Student Award! Oh, I got it. Yeah, I got it.
Where's the student? The best stuff, no?
Let's go. Kyoko and Michiko. Come on. Congratulations. Come on. Everybody clap. Kyoko.
Kyoko? Is Kyoko here?
Kyoko.
No.
No.
Kyoko!
Good job.
Okay, who's next? Is it level 2?
Level 2?
Level 2, who's level 2? Oh, nobody from level 2, sorry.
Oh,
3.
okay. So wait, so we're also doing the best student?
Yep.
All right,
last
so
person. Last is best.
yeah, of course. All right, so for level 3, passing to level 4, I have Mr. Kenichiro, also known as Kenneth.
Hey. He's smoking. So happy with his cigarette.
All right, and I have another student moving on from level 3 to level 4, Miss Minami.
Watch out,
Minami is also the most improved student in level 3.
Most improved. Good job.
You are welcome. Yay! And then, last but not least, also advancing from level 3 to level 4, Miss Mirvat Yilmaz! Beautiful! And she is also the best student in level 3!
Okay, level 4. Who's level 4?
Level 4. Anna.
Oh,
Dana. Dana.
Dana?
She's here.
There's and Koki.
Koki! Yay!
Oh, there he is. Me?
Koki. Koki, stay. Koki is the best student.
Oh, hey! Good job.
Level 5. Nobody? Oh, level 6.
The best student is Aya Okawa.
Hands in the air.
You have to dance. You have to dance.
And level 7.
Level 7. We got Diego.
Good job, my man.
You are the best Italiano.
Our most improved. Diego. Good job. Thank you.
Alright, last but not least, we have the TOEFL Awards. Kyle, take it away.
Okay, well this person isn't here, but this person is. They come to school every day, on time, ask questions all day. They want to be better. They got an 86 on the TOEFL.
Wow.
First time, they had less than 60.
Oh, thank you.
Second time, best student, Fumiko Kimura.
Alright, thank you guys. There's plenty of food for everybody. Please keep eating. Have a great time, and we'll see you on Wednesday, July 7th. first day of class. Thanks, guys.
TOEFL Tuesday.
Yeah.
You don't get it.